Zubi TV. Like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to the ABC Learning Adventure. A for apple. A for ant. A for airplane. A for alligator. B for ball. B for butterfly. B for banana. B for bird. C for cat. C for cow. C for car. C for cake. D for dog. D for duck. D for doll. D for drum. E for elephant. E for eye. E for egg. E for engine. F for fish. F for flower. F for fan. F for frog. G for goat. G for grapes. G for guitar. G for gift. H for horse. H for house. H for hat. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for igloo. I for ink. I for iron. J for jug. J for joker. J for juice. J for jam. K for key. K for kite. K for king. K for kiwi. L for lion. L for leaf. L for lamp. for mango. M for monkey. M for mouse. M for moon. N for nest. N for net. N for nose. N for nut. O for orange. O for owl. O for onion. O for octopus. P for pen. P for parrot. P for pumpkin. P for pig. Q for queen. Q for coil. Q for quill. Q for quilt. R for rainbow. R for rabbit. R for rose. R for rocket. S for sun. S for sheep. S for snake. S for star. T for tiger. T for tree. T for train. T for tomato. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. U for uniform. U for UFO. V for van. V for violin. V for vegetables. V for vase. W for watch. W for watermelon. W for window. W for whale. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. X for fox. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Y for yellow. Y for H. Z for zebra. Z for zip. Z for zipper. Z for zoo. Great job, kids! You learned A to Z. Subscribe.